the sickness. There's a ball of light living inside me. I've tried my whole life to carve it out. One big push and all the darkness alive in me leaves my lungs and exits out my mouth. But diseases never leave that way. In a dream of a car crash, some kind of wake-up call to keep me on my toes, to remind her she could lose me anytime. It's been so long, I think I've forgotten how to use my mouth, but I'm learning how to sing. And I wonder if you still kiss the same. We're no deeper than my breathing, than the creek in your backyard. What prevented us from sleeping was a shard of broken glass collected from a light bulb. A great idea, never saw the sunrise. And sometimes